The 5 Ws and H technique, also known as 5W1H, is a problem-solving and decision-making tool that enables businesses to collect and organize information by asking 6 essential questions: what, who, why, when, where, and how. This technique was initially developed by journalists as a means of gathering information for news stories, but it has since been adopted by numerous industries, such as manufacturing and product development. The 5 Ws and H technique is an efficient and straightforward method for gathering information and making decisions. The what question is used to identify the current issue or situation. The who question helps determine who is affected by or involved in the issue. The why question assists in comprehending the cause of the problem or situation. The when question aids comprehension of the problem or situation's timing. The where question clarifies the location of the problem or situation, while the how question clarifies how the problem or situation is occurring. The 5 Ws and H technique can have many benefits for a manufacturing and product development company. One of the primary advantages is that it facilitates the collection and consideration of all pertinent information when making decisions. When developing a new product, for instance, the 5 Ws and H technique can be used to collect information on the target market, the product's features and benefits, the competition, and the production process. Here are some examples of how the 5 Ws and H technique can be used to improve processes and increase efficiency in a manufacturing and product development organization. Identifying and comprehending customer requirements. By asking who and why, a manufacturing and product development company can gather information on their target market and understand their customers' needs and desires. This data can then be utilized to develop products that meet the needs of the target market and enhance customer satisfaction. A manufacturing and product development company can identify and comprehend production bottlenecks and inefficiencies by asking the what and how questions. The collected data can then be utilized to enhance the production process and increase efficiency. 3. Improving product quality. By asking what and why, a manufacturing and product development company can identify and comprehend product defects. The gathered data can then be utilized to enhance the product's design and enhance its quality. By asking the where and when questions, a manufacturing and product development company can identify and comprehend high-cost areas. The collected data can then be utilized to enhance the production process and reduce costs. Using the who and when questions, a manufacturing and product development organization can identify and comprehend communication breakdowns within the organization. The collected data can then be utilized to enhance internal communication and boost productivity. The 5 Ws and H technique is a simple yet effective method for gathering and analyzing information.